How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about, are planks good for abs? So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I got a question from a subscriber. He wants to know, are planks good for abs? So I'm going to answer that really quickly, you guys. Another thing, if you guys have any other questions, comment below. I do answer them. I make videos. I do go in order. So if you ask me a question, eventually I will get to it. I'm getting so many subscribers, you guys. For a little bit, I was averaging about 800 a day. Now it's back to about 300-400 a day. So the subscribers are constantly rising, which is really good, almost at 70,000 subscribers. So just keep asking the questions. I will keep answering them. So yes, planks are good for your abs. Why are they good? They're good because they require you to work your stabilizing muscles of the abs. You work your rectus, abdominal abs, and you also work your obliques to some extent as well. Planks are one of the best exercises you can do for your abs. Now, people want to know how to properly do them, so I will show you guys how to properly do them. So I will just show you that really quickly. A lot of people, they don't do them correctly. When you do them, you want to make sure that you contract your abs and your glutes. This will hold you in a good position for a long period of time. So again, some people, what they do is they'll keep their abs and their glutes loose. So they'll kind of just be in this position like this. Nothing's really tight. You want to make sure you contract your glutes. You squeeze your glutes, contract your abs, and you get into a nice, strong position like so. Very, very good position. You can even see my upper back is contracted. Just everything's contracted, and I can hold that position for a very long time, you guys. And that's kind of the key. A lot of people, they don't contract their glutes, they don't contract their abs, and that's why they can't do planks for very long. And that's also another reason why when people are trying to get ab muscles, they're trying to get six-pack, and they're doing planks and they're not getting the abs, it's because they're not doing them correctly. You can not do them correctly. When I do them like that, when I contract my abs, I contract my glutes, I feel it in my abs, you guys. I really do. And after a while, they really start to burn. So if you're not doing them correctly, if you're doing them incorrectly, your abs aren't tight, they're not contracted, your glutes aren't tight, they're not contracted, then you're not going to feel it in your ab muscles. You're not going to really get the benefits. So it's very important that you use proper form when you're trying to get abs. Very, very important. And a lot of people, when they're doing these exercises, they're not doing them incorrectly. That's another reason why. Another thing you want to do is progressively overload. Just increase your time by even 5 seconds, 3 seconds. Doesn't matter. If you're doing planks, what I like to do is time myself. If I can do it for 20 seconds, I'll try to do 23 after, 26, 29, 32, 35. Just keep adding more and more time. It's going to make the exercise harder. That's a form of progressive overload. Your abs will get better by doing that. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.